How to recover deleted channel in Telegram. Unfortunately, if a Telegram channel has been deleted, it cannot be recovered. This is because when a channel is deleted, all its data, including messages, files, and subscribers, are permanently removed from Telegram servers. However, if you accidentally left a channel, you can rejoin it by searching for the channel name or link in the Telegram search bar and clicking on the channel. If the channel is public, you can rejoin it immediately. If the channel is private, you will need to request to join and wait for the channel admin to approve your request. First of all, tap on the search bar at the top, then tap on the channels option available there and write down the name of your channel to rejoin it. Then tap on it and there you will get to see join option available at the bottom. Then join the channel again. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.